What's up, yo? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So on this episode, we're gonna try and clean some of the spots that are on this seat. As you can see right there, it's the SVT Lightning. I got a Sonic Blue 2004 Lightning, and today we're gonna try and clean the seats with this, the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner. I contacted them and they said that this should work on suede, so we're gonna give it a try and see how it goes. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with the backrest. There's a small spot right there that we're gonna try and hit. It doesn't say how much to apply, so I'm just gonna go at it and start wiping. So the instructions do say that to spray the Total Interior Cleaner on dirty surface, wipe up dirt, grime, and contamination with a microfiber towel. So that is what I'm using right here, and I'm gonna keep wiping. Alright, so I found a spot right next to where I was cleaning that it's more noticeable. Let me see, there it is. You see that brown one right there? Right there. So it's real small. We're gonna try it real quick. See if it helps. Clean the excess and then find a clean spot on your towel and just go at it. I don't see it anymore, so we'll let it dry off and see if it goes away. All right. Okay, well, a few minutes have passed and it looks like it works. The stain is gone. I don't see anything. So I'll go ahead and do the rest of the seat, and I'll probably put you guys on hyperlapse so you guys can see the rest of it pretty quick, because it will take me some time. All right, let's go. So the passenger side is almost done. We still need some areas, but I'm gonna let it dry out and see how much of the stains came out and if it needs a second pass. All right, so for now we're gonna jump onto the driver's seat. The driver's side is a little more dirty since it's the one that gets used the most. The passenger side, every now and then I'll get a passenger on it, but as you can see on the driver's side, it's right there. There's somewhat of a stain. And then of course the bottom seat is a little worst. I tried the center console. That one's still a little wet, so I'm just gonna let it dry out, see how it comes out. But I usually have a blue microfiber towel on it to reduce the amount of stains it gets. So for now, let's jump on the driver's seat and see how we can get it. Let's go. so you guys can see I'm switching out to clean sides of the microfiber towel because it looks like this one is almost all dirty, so I might have to be changing towels in a bit. I see some clean spots, so it is working. We just need to have several towels, all right, especially if it's really bad. Mine's okay, but still I'll probably need another 2-3 more just to get everything completely 100% clean. On this hairs, I don't know if you guys can see it right now. There's a bunch of the little hairs just sticking out. That I've read that with a razor you can just cut them off, so I'll probably try that later on and show you guys. So for now I'm just gonna try and clean as much of the seats I can, and then we'll move on to something else. I do want to take this truck to one of the bigger car shows down here in South Texas, and I'll see if I can finish it if we can make it to the car show, okay guys, because we still have the whole exterior of the truck to clean. So let's keep going. Well, it's looking a lot better. Driver's seat is looking good. Still needs more work, especially this side. It's pretty bad. So this microfiber towel, how it ended up. All those darker spots is the dirt that it picked up. As you guys can see, damn, some areas are pretty bad. Look at that. But for now, I think it's about time to stop. It's getting dark outside. I'm working on the garage, and this Texas mosquitoes are really aggressive tonight. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe and follow us on Instagram also at Ellis Garage. So if you guys have any suggestions of what product I can use to keep this thing clean, hit me up in the comments down below, and look for episode 2 of this detail on this 2004 Ford Lightning. See you guys in the next one.